Hello everyone and welcome to the OneClass channel. My name is Donna Riel and I'm a recent master's graduate in the Materials Science program from the University of Ontario Institute of Technology, also known as Ontario Tech University. So today we're going to go over some commonly asked questions in chemistry at the high school, college, and university level. So if you needed any help with homework or if you needed any help with tutoring, then check out the links in the description below. Now I'm just going to get started on my set of questions for today's session. All right. Question number 1 asks, what are valence electrons? So this is an example of like a high school chemistry question. But basically, valence electrons are the electrons that occupy the outermost shell. They're the electrons that would be taken first in a chemical reaction. I'm just going to have like an example just to draw out valence electrons. So let's say we have sodium. If you find sodium on the periodic table, it has an atomic number of 11. So this means that it has 11 protons. And when you have 11 protons, you need 11 electrons to make it a neutral atom. So I'm just also going to write down 11 electrons. So since we need 11 electrons, I'm going to draw out this diagram of sodium. So the first shell only contains 2. And then the shells after that will all contain 8. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we need one more. 11. So here I drew out 11 electrons for sodium. And if you look, it only has one valence electron. That's kind of like an easy way find out how many valence electrons you have. I'm just going to see what the junior tutor said. So valence electrons are the electrons that occupy the outermost or highest principal quantum number, n, level. For example, carbon with an electron configuration of 1s2, 2s2, 2p2 has n equals 2 as its highest principal quantum level. That means that it has 4 valence electrons in total. Consider this other example. Sc, I forget what element that is, but it has 21 electrons distributed as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d1. So this is an example of an element that has many electrons. Thus, it has 2 valence electrons found in the 4s orbital. This is because n equals 4 is the highest principal quantum level. So this is another method of how you would figure out how many valence electrons are in an atom. I'm just going to say this solution is correct since they gave the correct definition.